Welcome to the Alienated Dads Network, or maybe you're listening to us on the Apple What's It podcast. Wherever you're listening to us, and by whatever method, thank you for listening. My name is Jason. Apple What's It, Jason. Apple What's It, Apple What's It, Jason. Some of you may know me as just Jason, or some people might like to call me Wanker, or Tim, maybe not as nice as that, but I am the Jason. I am here to help, support, and serve. So, when we started this idea of doing podcasts and things and putting ourselves out there, we never thought for 1 second that it would be successful or as well listened to or liked as what it had been, and videos watched as what they have been. Whether you're today can say what we want to do. This session's on parental alienation, and today I'm going to be guiding you through this challenging, crucial topic. Whether you're a dad or a parent going through family court, facing parental alienation can be incredibly tough. I'm here to share with some support, practical advice, and mindfulness techniques to help you to navigate this difficult situation. Let's crack on in there. First things first, we need to recognize parental alienation. First, let's talk about what parental alienation is. Essentially, it happens when the bond between the parent and the child is systematically strained or broken, usually through the manipulative efforts of a high-conflict ex-partner or guardian. Here are some signs of parental alienation to watch out for. Your communication with your child is consistently blocked or disrupted. The other parent makes unfounded abuse accusations and involves your children. The child is frequently unavailable to spend time with you. Your child develops an intense, unfounded fear of spending time with you. Do any of these sound familiar? If so, let's explore some heartfelt tips to help you manage this situation. Now, some of the tips that I've used over the years to combat parental alienation, they won't all work here, but make them unique to yourself. Don't get defensive. When faced with parental alienation, your instinct might be to defend yourself and to defend yourself to your children. Resist this urge. Speaking negatively about your ex or defending yourself to vehemently deny or allegations can backfire and contribute to the alienation. Instead, stay calm, stay composed, and breathe. Say nothing. Firm your love. Whenever you have contact with your children, make sure you express your love for them to let them know they're always in your thoughts and in your heart. Simply loving affirmations can go a long way. Long way. Number 3, positive language. Language matters. Use words that uplift and reassure your children. For example, instead of saying, I miss you, say, I look forward to seeing you next time. Instead of, I wish I could have seen that, say, that sounds amazing, and it must have been so exciting. Keep up the contact. Even if you feel that your efforts are in vain, don't give up. Send cards, emails, letters, and voicemails. Keep a diary of your attempts to contact the children or child. Your persistence proves your steady presence and love over time. And it will do. Be rational and reasonable. Keep your emotions in check and follow court orders. That is the biggest motivator. Meticulously, line by line, follow the court order. Don't give your ex any ammunition to vilify you any further. Manage your emotions effectively and deliver your actions carefully. Don't play the blame game. Remember, your children are victims in this scenario too. Parental alienation can lead to them to report your every move back to your ex. Avoid blaming or getting frustrated with them. Instead, stay understanding and be patient. Be yourself. Continue to be your genuine, loving self. Don't try and be the super parent to counteract your ex's negative portrayal. Your consistent, caring behavior will have a stronger impact over time. Really important. Do not break promises. Honor any plan you made or any arrangement you've done with your children. Honor them and stick to them. Even if you're worried with your ex might thwart them. Keeping your promises shows your reliability and love. Counteracting their claims against you perfectly without you having to say a word. Actions allowed. Build on the relationship. Create special moments with your children, but avoid overindulgence. Play catch up, read together, or go on a simple vacation. For walk. These activities strengthen your bond, a great team around you. Enlist the help of professionals, legal advisors, mental health support, therapists. Make sure they're experienced with parental alienation and invest the right amount of support so you can make a significant difference. Now, coping with this can be difficult. It requires emotional resilience. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing really helps. Meditation and journaling to manage any stress and stay grounded. Your well-being is crucial for your children as well. Let's take a moment and breathe deeply together. Let's talk about parental alienation is painful, and the painful reality is many parents are dealing with it. However, the persistence in the love that you give and the right strategies, you can work towards mending your relationship with your children. Focus on what matters most, their emotional and mental health. Remember, love is for both parents and should always be encouraged. Always be encouraged. If you need help or support with your parental alienation or anything to do with family court, public proceedings, we're very busy right now, but I'm always happy to try and help. Reach out, get in touch.